want to move your Sol tokens to Photon? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open your Phantom or Solflare wallet, whichever holds your Sol, and make sure you have enough for gas fees. Next, open the Photon app or web dashboard and sign in. Now look for your Sol deposit address inside Photon. It's usually found under your wallet or assets section. Copy that address. Then go back to your original wallet, choose Sol, and tap send. Paste the Photon Sol address, double check it's correct, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Wait a few seconds since Solana is fast. The transfer should reflect on Photon shortly. Once it's in, you can start using your Sol for staking, swaps, or liquidity pools directly within the Photon ecosystem. Just be careful not to send Sol to a token-specific address. Always double check you're using the correct Sol-compatible one. That's it. You've just bridged your Sol into Photon and you're ready to explore its DeFi features.